Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 11th April 2022 Monday. We discuss the Nifty view for tomorrow and if possible for the next few days. We are now doing a chart interaction today and there will be no video simply because the charts will tell us what we are trying to analyze. I have two charts on the screen. Both are Nifty end of day charts. The only difference is that in the chart below, the lower chart, I have a low lag moving average, and in the chart above I have a low lag adaptive RSI. Think of it as a momentum indicator with two price bands, upper band and lower band. When I put them separately, I can have a clearer view of each of these indicators. That's all. We could have put them on one chart also. That was possible. Now, yesterday, that is on Friday, the low lag moving average turned up after turning down on one day. So that gave a sense that perhaps we are again going to have an uptrend, and the RSI, modified RSI, was already rising. So today we were prepared to buy, but that opportunity never came. It actually did come intraday, but it was not easy to catch that trend. The trend throughout the day was on the downside. The market opened lower with a gap, and then after making an effort intraday to rally, failed in that effort and closed again lower. All said and done, today's view did not match with what the markets did. Much more important, we had a very narrow range day today. See, a very narrow range, narrowest in many days. Now the last time we had a narrow range was here. Two narrow range days and then a big up move for 2 days. So we have this narrow range day. What is going to be the outcome? I cannot say, but given the fact that the trend seems to be suddenly on the downside, here we were going in an uptrend, here we are now entering into the narrow range in a downtrend. What may be a downtrend? It is possible that a move below the low of this bar, price bar, 2-day low of 17,600 becomes a benchmark. If the Nifty trades below it and continues to trade below 17,600, we actually look for a decline of some kind. I don't know how much of a decline, but because this could easily be a correction, and corrections are very difficult to trade. Be what it may, it's not an easy market now because we have entered into a trading range. The range has boundaries with 17,800 on the upper end and 17,600 on the lower end. A breach of one of these boundaries should give us a strong trend. It could be on either side. Be mentally prepared for that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and also press the bell icon. Jai Hind.